Hey Lena gang, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can already tell, it is a clean with me video. And y'all, basically, I live in my room. I do everything in my room. Um, Almost everything in my room. But I sleep in here. I spend a lot of time in here watching TV. I spend a lot of time in here studying, reading, editing videos. Well, shoot, even recording videos. So I needed to get my room together. This was also the week that I needed to strip my bed down and wash all my sheets and pillowcases and blankets and all those types of things. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And just a heads up, it's going to be pretty short. I'm also not feeling very well this day. Got a lot of sinus and allergy issues going on. So my room was pretty much the only thing I cleaned today.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, so I got my sheets and pillowcases in the washer, and my comforter is still on the bed. I'm going to have to wash that by itself. So while the sheets and pillowcases are in the washer, I'm going to continue to clean my room, and then today I'll be making my bed up last. Usually y'all see me make my bed up first, but today that'll be the last thing I do because I got to wait for everything to wash and dry. And that basket right there is a basket of Donovan's clothes that he needs to put away. Usually when the boys' clothes come out, I go ahead and separate it for them because they have a lot of stuff that looks alike and a lot of clothes that are too small for King. So now they're the right size for Donovan. So I separate their clothes for them and all that good stuff. want to take this time out to acknowledge my beautiful red glasses that I got from Zelo. Zelo is a affordable place to get nice trendy eyewear. I will put their link in the description box down below. They they have a look at those glasses. Aren't they cute, y'all? Red ain't even my color, but I really am feeling these glasses. Go check them out for affordable eyewear, and I will have a discount code for you also. I also want to mention these cute little dryer hedgehogs that I got. My son actually gave these to me once. I think last year he got them like in a the treasure box from school, like his teacher had them. But they're called hedgehog reusable dryer balls, and he had a pack of two. You can find them on Amazon. I found them on Amazon in a pack of four, but they are really cool. They help your clothes dry faster, and they're a great alternative to dryer sheets. It helps your clothes fluff up naturally, and like for real, it cuts the drying time in half because it helps the clothes not get all tangled into each other. So I would highly recommend it. I actually really love mine, and I am in the process of ordering some more. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoy recording it for you. I'm sorry it's a little short this time around, but your girl is over here on some Benadryl trying to feel better. But yeah, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it, and go ahead and leave me some comments in the comment section down below. Don't forget to go check out Zelu. I believe that's how you say it. Zelu or Zelo, whatever. I'll have the link in the description box down below. It'll be the first link. So if you wear glasses or you know someone to wear glasses, go check them out because it's very affordable eyewear. And also, don't forget to check out the link for the little hedgehog jar balls. And that is it. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified anytime I do an upload. If you're not following me over on Facebook and Instagram, please do so. And also, actually, TikTok now. Also, honey, I've been getting my TikTok on. And don't forget to follow me also over on my vlog channel at Mysha Lena Vlogs. That is it. I will see you guys soon. I love you so much. And like always, until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique. Mwah. Bye, guys.